Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my very first PR unboxing, you guys. Oh my goodness, I feel so blessed to have companies reach out to me and send me products. This is a company that I had never heard of, but they saw my YouTube channel and some videos that I have done, and they liked it. They reached out to me through my email, and they asked could they send me some products, and they did not ask me to do a video. They just said just try these products out and see how you like them. So I agreed to, yes, they could send me the products, and yes, I would try them out and see how I like them. I have not tried them out yet. I just got the box in, but I wanted to do a quick video and do an unboxing with you guys and show you what I got. And then I do plan on using these products at least for a couple of weeks and try them out, maybe longer if I like them, and just see how they work out for me. So this is a company called Nudu, and it's called Nudu Natural Beauty. They are a cruelty-free company, and from what I can tell, they're pretty reputable. If you go online and you go to their website, there's great reviews on their skincare products, and they have great customer service from what I can see online. So what came in the box are some paperwork. This is a basically like a my mind went blank, like a shipping list, packing list showing what all's in the box. And then I got a pamphlet basically explaining what each product is and what it does, and then it also tells you a little bit about their company and all that kind of stuff. So I've read a little bit of it, not everything, but yeah. And then it comes with this little card, and this tells you how to open and activate a couple of the products in here, because they do require some additional things to get them ready to use. So this is what is in the box. So in here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. And so let's just start off with this one, because I was like, wow, what is that? Okay. This is a cleansing and exfoliating sponge. It has a little string on it. It's very hard. It's like a brick. It's very hard. And it says on the card that you're supposed to place this in warm water for 2 to 5 minutes until it swells up and gets softer. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and take it out and show you guys. There it is. And it's just looks like a cellulose sponge or something like that. It's very hard. It's not rough, but you can tell that this is what you would use for exfoliating. And that's what it says. It says this is a cleansing and exfoliating sponge. And once you soak it in the water, it does almost double in size, and it gets squishy. It gets soft so that you can use it to scrub your face. I did not look up the cost of these items. I will put the cost up here, and also will let you know what the costs are. Right now I'm going to go to their website, and I will tell you what each item costs as we go. So for that item right there, the sponge, the cleansing sponge retails for $18. So, and it's got 4 stars. There's a review on it. It's one review, but it is a 4-star review, and it says, I fell in love with this organic sponge the moment I tried it. Unlike many scrubs, cognac fiber never irritates my face, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft and clean. She gives a tip and says to make sure the sponge is 100% squishy before using it. This is GMO free, paraben free, never tested on animals, and dermatologist tested. So Suitable for sensitive skin, gentle exfoliation using natural fibers, deep cleansing your pores, made from 100% organic konjac vegetable. So, hey, it's all natural. I really love that. It's $18, and I will let you guys know in a later video how it works and if it works for me. Okay, so the next item up is this face mask, eye mask. It looks like a nighttime mask, maybe something that you would wear excuse me, overnight, to help you get better sleep and to also relieve maybe swollen or sore eyes or something like that. There's no gel or anything in here. It just seems like a nice silk mask to sleep in. So that's really cute, and it says Dreaming Beauty. It's gold and black. I love it. It's so soft. So I really like that. Let's see how much this retails for, and that's a new item in their product line as well. That retails for $38. It's for enhanced sleep quality, day or night. It's got a 4.5 star with 2 reviews. It's made from 100% mulberry silk outside and inside. It blocks light for quality beauty sleep. No snag silk band protects your hair, and it has a soft comfort fit. Again, these are never tested on animals, GMO free, paraben free. Of course that is because it's silk. But one review says, this pampering silk mask helps me to completely relax the muscles around my eyes and drift into a daytime nap when the baby lets me. Wearing the mask can be a do not disturb clue for your loved ones. So that was one review. And then another review says, well, I don't see the other review. I may have to dig a little deeper in their website to find it, but that's okay. Here we go. Here we go. What a luxurious face mask. I love to use this, especially when I travel either on the plane or in hotels. It helps me relax. So, those are the reviews for that product. I think I'll try to take a nap later on today and see how well it works. The next product I'm going to pull up here is the Overnight Radiance Renew Cream. Let's open this up and I will tell you, oh, how cute inside their packaging. It says, hello lovely. I love their packaging, by the way. The white with the gold is just beautiful. Very elegant. This is a renewal cream. So gorgeous. I love this packaging. You get 1 fluid ounce in here. Oh, and it comes with a pump. Look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So what this product retails for, let's find out. Overnight Radiance Renew Cream. It's also a newer product that they just added to their line. This is a little pricey. This retails for $115 for a 1 ounce size. So I'm holding $100 here, you guys. That's crazy. It better work, right? I will let you know for sure if it works. But it does have a 5-star. It has 5-star reviews. There's five reviews on this. So absorbs really well into the skin and hydrates. I have dry skin with wrinkles. My skin is very thin, and since the first time I used it, my face felt so hydrated, smooth, and supple. I know it's expensive, but I'm 38 years old, and I love to take care of my skin with good ingredients. I do recommend it. Another person says, love this. I have tried so many anti-aging products, and this is the only one that doesn't burn my face. I love it, and I can tell a noticeable difference in my skin. My skin looks better than it ever has before. Another person says, love. Have been using this cream for 3 months. I see such a difference in the plumpness, and I have a glow about my skin that I never had before. Another one says, visible difference. I have been using this in the evenings and use it on my face and décolleté. I've really noticed a difference in my décolleté area, looking more plump, and since using this on a regular basis. It feels great and is non-greasy. I love that it's all natural. So those are all 5-star reviews for this product. So hey, that's a pretty good thing. So their claims are that it plumps and hydrates, it's anti-aging, and it provides moisture and radiance to your skin. We shall see. I will do some before pictures before I start using any of these products, and then do some after photos after I've been using it for a couple of weeks to let you guys know exactly how this works. And being that it's so pricey, I really do want to give it a good run and find out if it's actually going to work for me. Okay, so next up is this Gentle Moisturizer. Anti-aging for normal skin. By the way, when the company reached out to me, they did ask me a couple of questions about my skin and what needs I had. And I did tell them anti-aging and that I did have normal to dry skin. So they sent me the products that would best be suited for my skin type. This is also 1 fluid ounce. Same kind of bottle. Same kind of pump. I really like that packaging. And this is their Gentle Moisturizer. Let's see here. The Gentle Moisturizer is $64 for 1 fluid ounce. It has antioxidants in it that helps keep you looking young, and it also moisturizes your skin. So again, I will use this and let you guys know exactly how this works for me. We'll go over ingredients and all that good stuff in my next video when I'm giving you all the reviews of it. I will let you know exactly what all's in it, but so far all the products are natural and are cruelty free, so that's a good thing, you guys. Okay, so let's move on to the eye cream. Let's see what this, dropped it. 0.5 fluid ounces, so this is half an ounce. Same kind of packaging, same kind of pump. I really like that. Really like that. This is also anti-aging, and it is for your eyes, or around the eye area. So let's see what that retails for. That retails for $85. So it says it plumps up and nourishes the skin around your eye area. So again, I will try it out and let you guys know what I think. Next up is their Reviving Toner. And let's see what kind of packaging this one has. Oh, a little different this time. It has a gold lid. This is 1.7 fluid ounces. It says it heals and softens all skin types. So this is just a toner. It has like a, it looks a little creamy but not thick. But thicker than like water, you know what I mean? You know what? I can go ahead and, not on that hand because I have a lipstick, but I'll see that drop. It came out kind of slow because it's a little thick, and I didn't shake it either. It's probably a little thicker when you shake it, but there it is on the back of my hand. It's just starting to run down. Just gonna go ahead and rub it into my hand. It smells good. It has a nice, very nice, clean smell. It's not floral or anything like that. It doesn't smell like medicinal, you know, or chemically. It just has a nice, clean smell. I really like that. That smells really good. Really good. And you want things that you're going to be putting on your face to smell nice and not be overbearing. This is a very light, clean scent, and it dried down to nothing. Like, I can't even feel that it's there, and it smells really good. So let's see what that retails for. That is the toner. Let's see if I can find it again. Oh, also they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. love it or get your money back. So wow, that's a pretty good guarantee there. Okay, here we go. The Nudo Reviving Toner, 1.7 fluid ounce, is $32. It says restore your skin's healthy glow. It has 9 reviews, 5 stars, you guys. Wow. So these products have very good reviews. Okay, so this looks like it's the last product in the box. This is the gel cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin. Let's open it up here if I can get in it. I broke a nail earlier, you guys. Oh, so mad. So I have to fix that later. So it's just hard to open boxes with a broken nail. This is in 1.7 fluid ounce, and it's in like a tube right there. You just flip it open and squeeze the cleanser out. I can hear it's a little liquidy. Looks like, oh, and there it's sealed, so I would have to puncture the seal to get it out, which is a good thing. But you can hear it. It feels heavy, so there's, it's probably creamy, but just not real thick cream, you know. So there you have it. That is the gel cleanser, and that retails for $26. It says get gorgeously clean with Nudo gel cleanser. There are 2 reviews and they are 5 stars. So all these products, with the exception, I think one had 5-star reviews. This one had 4.5 stars. So I just absolutely love the fact that they're getting good reviews. That tells me a lot about the products already. The fact that they are cruelty-free, not tested on animals, and that they are natural. Those are absolutely things that I really look for in skincare products. So yeah, I can't wait to use these products tonight. I will start tonight, and we'll use the cleanser to cleanse my face and go through all of the products as instructed and start using them every day, and let you guys know in a couple of weeks what I think about them. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and as always, be good to yourself and each other, ladies. Bye.